Now the topic before us is linear equations variable on both sides. Here the variable is single, that is x. It is the single variable questions. So now the question before us is solve the following equation and check your results. It means that this question has two parts. First of all, we will solve the equation, that is we will find out the value of x, and then the second part says check your results. It means that after finding out the value of x, we will fill the value of x in this equation, and we will see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, then it means that the result which we had calculated about x is okay. Let us see how we do the same. So the question before us is this: 2x is equal to 14 minus x plus 1. So here first of all we will take the variable numbers to the other side. Variable numbers are 2x. From here we will take this minus x to the other side. It becomes 2x plus x. 14 plus 1. It becomes 3x is equal to 15, or x is equal to 5. So we have arrived at the value of x. So now we will check left hand side. That is the expression which is written on the left hand side. What is written on the left hand side? It is 2x. So we will fill the value of x. 2 into 5, it becomes 10. Now we will fill the value of x on right hand side. What is written on right hand side? 14 minus x plus 1. So 14 minus 5 plus 1. It means that 14 plus 1, 15. 15 minus 5, it becomes 10. So left hand side is 10, right hand side 10, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. So now the next question: solve the following equation and check your results. As already told, that whether that in case of single variable, the variable can be x, or it can be p, it can be q, it can be t, it can be v, or any other number. It can be taken as single variable. So here in place of x, the question has been taken as t. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So here we will take the numbers which have variable on one side, that is on the left hand side. We will take the variable numbers 5t minus 3t, because it is the positive number on right hand side, and when taken to the other side it becomes negative. So minus 5, this is minus number, so when it takes to the other side it becomes positive. 5t minus 3t, it becomes 2t, is equal to minus 5 plus 3, it becomes minus 2. So the value of t is minus 1. So now we will check the values of left hand side expression. It is left hand side expression is 5t minus 3. So we will fill the value of t. 5 value of t is minus 1 plus then minus 3. So it becomes minus 5 minus 3, it becomes minus 8. So left hand side is minus 8. So now we will see what is right hand side expression. It is 3t minus 5. 3, we will fill the value of t, it is minus 1, then minus 5, it is minus 5. So minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 5. When we add minus 3 and minus 5, it becomes minus 8. So left hand side minus 8, right hand side minus 8. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, verified. That is the value of x which we had calculated is okay. So now you will find in this question that in place of x, this number has been used, z has been used. So we will write the same first as it is. So we will take the variable numbers on left hand side and the numbers which are without variable on right hand side. So 4z, we will take 2z to the other side because it is positive and it becomes negative when it goes to the other side. Here 6, 3 will go to right hand side. This is positive, it becomes negative when it goes to the other side. So 4z minus 2z, it becomes 2z is equal to 6 minus 3, it becomes 3. So z becomes 3 over 2. So we have arrived at the value of z. Now we are to check. What we are to check? We are to check whether if we fill the value of z in left hand side and then in right hand side, whether both these expressions are equal. So first of all, check left hand side expression. What is left hand side expression? It is 4z plus 3. We will fill in the value of 4, then z value is 3 over 2 plus 3. It becomes 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So now we will check the value of right hand side. 6 plus 2z. 6 plus 2. What is the value of z? It is 3 over 2. We will cut 2 by 2. Then it becomes 6 plus 3. It becomes 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, verified. These questions are very simple because in these questions we have to simply find out the value of variable and we have to fill in the value of variable in the equation given, that is on left hand side and on the right hand side. Alternatively, we will fill both the value of variable which we have find out, and we will find out that both the sides, that is both the expressions are equal and hence verified. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.